Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we are experiencing a mouse scrolling problem in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let's get started, and please do finish watching this video till the very end. So please go to your Windows search tab and there type control. And once you do that, you will see under best match the control panel option, so please click on that, and you will be opening another window that is the all control panel items. So if your window doesn't look like this, all you need to do is just to click this view by option here, and then just click this drop down button. And then if your window looks like this, just click again this drop down button and just click this large icons option here, and you will get this kind of window. So here we have here all sorts of options. All we need to do is just to look for the mouse option here, that is this one, and please click on that. And then once you do that, another small window will be coming up on our screen. We have here buttons tab, the pointers tab, pointer options, and for other devices, the wheels option also have, or they also have the wheels option here right before the hardware. So basically other devices have 5 tabs. In my device I only have 4. So I will just be saying to you how you can do it in the wheels tab, because later on we will be changing some settings to that. So under buttons tab, all you need to do is just to go to the double click speed, and you will see here this speed, this drag button here. So if your cursor is doing fine with the default setting, then just leave it be. So if you drag this button here to the right, where the fast word, or towards the fast word, then your cursor will be, once you double click, the speed will be fast. And once you drag it to the slow, towards the slower, then your double click speed will be slow. Okay, so just check the upper portion, and you will see there the you will see the wheels option there. And once you see it, please click on that, and all you need to do is just to change the values. So please click on the values, or the tab that you will see where you can input a value, and then click on that, and then just change it to 7 and then 4 respectively. Okay, so for the above, just click or just press 7, and the bottom please type 4. And then once you're done, you can now click on apply and then click on OK. And for your settings to be apply, just please click on this Windows icon here, and then make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Your problem with your mouse scrolling will now be fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.